Hey there. Have you ever wondered what makes us truly happy? Today, I'm diving deep into the science of happiness to uncover the secrets that can help us live more fulfilling lives. So grab a comfy seat and let's get started. First off, let's talk about what happiness actually is. In psychology, happiness is often referred to as subjective well-being. It's about feeling good and being satisfied with life. Sounds simple, right? But the journey to happiness is a bit more complex. Research shows that happiness is influenced by a mix of factors. Genetics play a role, but they're not the whole story. In fact, only about 50% of our happiness is determined by our genes. The rest is influenced by our environment and our own actions. So what can we do to boost our happiness? Let's break it down. First, meaningful relationships. Humans are social creatures, and strong, positive connections with others are essential for our well-being. Studies have shown that people with close friendships and supportive family networks report higher levels of happiness. So, make time for the people who matter to you. Next, let's talk about purpose and goals. Having a sense of purpose gives our lives direction and meaning. Whether it's work, hobbies, or volunteering, find something that makes you feel fulfilled. And don't forget to set achievable goals. Reaching them can give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your happiness. Another big factor is gratitude. It might sound cliché, but being thankful for what you have can significantly increase your happiness. Try keeping a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. You'll be surprised at how much it can shift your mindset. Now, let's talk about mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you stay present and reduce stress. Regular meditation has been shown to increase positive emotions and improve overall well-being. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Exercise is another key player. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. You don't need to run a marathon. Even a walk in the park can do wonders for your mood. Finally, let's address material wealth. While money can buy comfort, it's not a direct path to happiness. Beyond a certain point, more money doesn't significantly increase happiness. Instead, focus on experiences and connections, which have a more lasting impact on your well-being. So there you have it, the science of happiness in a nutshell. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. By fostering strong relationships, finding purpose, practicing gratitude, staying mindful and taking care of your body, you can unlock the secrets to true happiness. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use a little extra happiness in their life. Until next time, take care.